How to fix Instagram message swipe reply not working. So first is you have to go to your Instagram application and it will lead you here to your home page. Now the next thing that you want to do is to go to your message area, your chat area, and here you'll see your basically your chat, basically your message area. So all you have to do is to tap on a specific message, and as you can see, this person actually chat me. This person sent me a message. So as you can see, if I swipe onto that, it I can actually reply to her message. Now, if it's not working or your Instagram message swipe is not working, so you can't reply, so all you have to do is you can try going to your app store and search for Instagram there. And if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. There might be a possibility that your Instagram application is outdated, which means the reply swipe reply is not available or is not available for you. Now, if you'll see an update button, you click on that and wait for it to be updated. And if it's updated, you can go back and see and try if it's working. Now, if it's still not working, I want you to go to your settings. So go here to your profile, and on the upper right you will see three dash lines there. You tap on that and just go to settings and privacy. Now, under settings and privacy, scroll all the way down until you see more info and support, and under that you'll see help. You click on that and report a problem, and basically just you just have to report a problem there. And basically that is how you fix Instagram message swipe reply not working. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.